Hello, everybody. Well, I'm just making this video because if you've been in the grocery store lately, you see how everything is more expensive. And I'll tell you why. Things are made in point A. So we'll say point A is over here. They make it, these guys over here want to buy it. They're 800 miles away. So they put it on a truck. That truck delivers 800 miles away next day over here. Well, the trucking companies now, and this is their fault, this is totally Trudeau's fault, are charging exorbitant fees on top of exorbitant fuel cost fees on top of their regular fee. It's got everything to do with this carbon tax. We get rid of the carbon tax, you're going to see prices drop like a rock. Go back to the way things were. This carbon tax is bullshit. Okay. Now, let's say we know we get our fruits and vegetables from Peru and other warm places that have in summer in the middle of winter here in Canada. Excuse me. But anyways, it boils down to the simple fact that down there they put it in a, like let's say they grow melons. Okay? They put these melons in a refrigerated, what do you call it? Container. That container gets put on a ship. That ship comes up to Vancouver, let's say. And then it goes on that container gets put on a truck and then goes to a distribution center in Toronto. The carbon tax paid on that is enormous because it gets put on that container because it's coming into Canada. Put on that ship because it's coming into Canada. It's put on everything. And now these melons that the guy down there sold for, let's say, $2 a melon, okay, cost $18 or $19 or $25 up here because of the carbon tax, nothing more. Take the carbon tax off and it might be $4 in the store. Toronto, Southern Ontario, anywhere. But no. Trudeau insists on putting this carbon tax. Trudeau's fucking us, plain and simple. Oh God. I hope when we have an election nobody votes Liberal, because if they do, we are screwed. Have a good day, folks.